Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off the auto start feature in the Claude AI desktop application. So let us guide you through this. So for this method guys, you will need to launch the Claude AI desktop app, not the web version here. And there are two steps that needs to be taken here to disable these auto starts. For instance, if Claude AI automatically starts whenever or launches whenever you start your computer, like your desktop computer or laptop. So step number one would be to access your Claude AI account settings. To do that, here in the desktop app, click into these three lines in the top left, hover a mouse over File and choose Settings, or use the shortcut Control and Comma. And then inside your settings, what you want to do is navigate to the desktop app General Settings here on the left hand side and disable the auto start feature here on your computer by switching it off. I don't know if it will also be the case for you, but for me, when I installed the Claude AI desktop app, this feature was enabled on default, so you will need to disable it manually. And the second step would be to access your task manager on your device, like your desktop Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So let me do that really here. And there navigate to the Start, and here browse through the list of applications that may or may not be launched automatically at your computer start, and navigate to Claude. So let me find it here and make sure that it is that the auto start is disabled. If that's not the case, disable it, right click, select turn off. As you can see, it's not in English, but it will be in your interface or operating system's language. So right click into the entry Claude here and disable the auto start. You may close the task manager. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.